Well, peeps, this might look like a normal morning jog to you, but guess what? It's not. This morning jog is really special to me. Because after my jog, my eyes just went on top, and guess what? I saw an apple hanging on a tree, and I was quite mesmerized by the juicy look of it. I wanted to dig my teeth in it. After my jog, I was quite tired, I was hungry, so like any other wise man would do, I picked up a stone, aimed it perfectly, and I missed. I missed. Yeah, I missed. So I picked up another stone this time, aimed it perfectly again, and guess what? Yeah, I missed. I missed again. Okay, I'm bad at this. Okay, don't judge me. So I picked up another one, aimed it perfectly, pointed my finger to the sky. I don't know why, to look cool, but yeah, I didn't help. I missed again. Okay, yeah. So stop judging me. Okay, but I didn't give up. I picked up another stone this time. Didn't time it perfectly. Didn't aim it perfectly, and guess what? I did hit it. It came down and came down. Wait, what? Where's the fruit? Well, this looks delicious as well, so I don't mind keeping this. So anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Alright, yo peeps, I hope you guys enjoyed watching the entire unboxing experience. Well, I really enjoyed filming it, to be honest with you. So the MacBook Air which I own happens to be the base model, the base variant of MacBook Air, and it consists of a 256GB SSD solid state drive along with 8GB RAM and the very famous, the powerful M1 chipset. Woo! Now the thing is that I've been a hardcore Windows user. I've never ever used a Mac computer in my life before. This is the first time, hands down. the first time I'm going to be experiencing Mac OS. I'm immensely keen on experiencing the Mac operating system. Really looking forward to it. So peeps, I will be sharing my experiences with the MacBook Air in the upcoming videos, and of course with lots more other content as well. So make sure you stick around, you like the video, share, subscribe, comment what you enjoyed, what you didn't, and yup, that's pretty much it. That sums it up. I'll catch you guys in the next. Take care of yourselves and everyone around you. Peace, over and out.
I woke up, left out on the porch, making too much noise. So